Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Nissan Sentra S. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 1.8-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and a semi-automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 72,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 27 miles per gallon in the city, and 35 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger.